What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach and Chase. We're out here in Colorado checking out Josh.ai. We just did unboxing videos on the processor, the core, we had their touchscreen panel, we did the Micro, which is like a freaking showstopper. I mean, I would have never imagined the amount of functionality that's built into this little puck.
As a standalone. This can be used as a standalone or as a wireless retrofit to the Josh system.
So cool, so cool. Chase is our specialist here in Colorado, and he did this entire 12,000 square foot home with Josh, really pushing the limits on, I don't even know, is that pushing the limits?
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
They're just cooking.
They're continuing to make them better, and here at Dreamedia, we want to be on the forefront of Josh.ai and all control companies that we offer. We offer them all, URC, Avon, Control4, as well as Josh. In today's video, we're actually going to make a video on this little tiny piece right here, guys. This is the Nano, just a little tiny, essentially microphone with a PoE injector. This is going to have similar capabilities as the Micro, and we'll discuss the differences. But this is a more minimal footprint and has slightly less functionality. So in today's video, we're going to get into the details as well as show you how to install it. This wall right back here. If you guys are interested in purchasing Josh or anything technology, home theater related, reach out today for your free video consultation. All right, guys, let's get into this video. Welcome back, Dreamedia family. All right, I'm going to toss it off to Chase, and he's actually going to give you the lowdown on how this product functions in a smart home, as well as how it compares to the Micro, and then we're going to get it put in the wall. Over to you, Chase.
All right, so the Josh Micro runs wirelessly, can run over PoE, a bigger footprint on your wall for sure. It does have a speaker built in, as well as a touchscreen bar and a mic. We went over all that, right? So why would you want a Josh Nano, right? So all this is a near field microphone. So this microphone is extremely accurate. It picks up a wider range and is just a more much better microphone technology at a much smaller footprint. And this will be your partner for your Josh core in a new retrofit. So this will be PoE wired back to your rack. You're going to have faster processing, better capabilities on the microphone. You know, you can be further away from it. You can be off access of this mic and get a better response. Here's the coolest thing, the physical mic disconnect. So on this, it's a digital mute, right? Right here, I separate. I go ahead and I hope you guys are able to see that little red switch. I'm disconnecting the mic circuit. So if you're security first, this is your solution. So cleaner look on the wall, faster processing, better microphone. What it doesn't have is the touchscreen capabilities or the built-in speaker. But at this point, your Josh core is going to be sending the voice content into your distributed audio system anyway, so that's not a concern. This comes in both white and black, can be just put straight into a wall with these little clip brackets you see here. Or you can retrofit this into any faceplate, or with your Lutron, you can get these really sleek keypad, and then the Josh built right into the wall, so it's just seamless in the room. You never even really see the microphone. Yeah, that looks
so clean.
So good.
I think we actually saw this at CET down in Denver. This is an experience center where you guys can come and experience firsthand Josh in action, Lutron, all of these cool tech gadgets, lighting fixtures, home theater, all that. But maybe we can show on screen some B-roll of that Lutron faceplate right now.
Looking.
Oh, just amazing design options that can fit into any aesthetic. But it really makes this puppy, although it disappears into like this just sheetrock wall, it kind of elevates.
It does.
And it adds a bit of elegance to it.
And actually in the game room, when we go there, you can see where I had an old cable drop from an original TV location in the first instruction. Well, that had to have a blank plate per code. So instead of reinventing the wheel with Josh, I just integrated that into the faceplate already on the wall. You can't even tell where the Josh is in the game room. So why don't you guys follow me over here? I'm going to show you how this looks in the wall and how it installs. So yes, this looks bulky on the back, but this is just because this is my PoE module and gives me some flexibility, you know, to get it into the space. So it came out of this area in the dine-in. It's very simple cut-in. All right, so I'm here on my drywall with my cut-in. I've got my Josh. All I do, this obviously is where it came out of and was installed in the house already. So this is wired back to the rack. And you're gonna watch, that's the boot up lights for the Josh. Just gonna tuck that module into the wall, slide my clips in,
boom.
And there we go. So he's booting up right now. So you saw I just plugged in a couple seconds ago. Okay, Josh, turn off the lights. Oh, the lights were off in this room.
No, they weren't.
Oh, okay.
It turned them off.
Okay.
Yeah, just the dining room.
That's how quick it booted up. So obviously, all he's doing as soon as he's powered up, it's just a microphone. He's streamlined, sending it to the core, and the core is sending that throughout the house. These are not paintable, which is why if you have, as you can see, it's the same white Lutron uses, right? But this is a custom faceplate from Lutron that's labeled.
Okay, Josh, turn on the lights.
And you can see how quickly that talked to Lutron. I mean, you want to talk about fast processing? From Zach's command there, that went up to the internet for text to translate, came back into the house, got stored on the processor communicated that command with Lutron in what, a couple milliseconds?
That was fast.
Yeah.
That was probably 1 second.
Yeah, it's quick. And that's also what this will do to you, the Nano will do over the Micro, is it really makes the command process quicker. There's a couple seconds of latency with the wireless communication, right? So you can see that. It's about, like, it feels as an end user almost 10 times quicker.
Very fast.
Yeah, so it's a very, okay, Josh, close the shades in the kitchen. So since I'm in the dining room there, I talk to the kitchen, and then, you know, that's going through Josh to Control 4 and Lutron. Everything's being updated natively. I couldn't even get over this touchscreen in time. That's Control 4 before that's integrated. Before that's updated. So we've got, you know, every control platform on the same page in this home at all times. So I mean, it is quick.
Okay, Josh. Open the kitchen windows.
Already updated with the final destinations. And again, since Zach just gave that command, I can go ahead and override it here.
Yeah, set it to like 30%.
So with the wheel spinning, sometimes you're not going to get that beautiful hem bar alignment you may be used to, but that's just par for the course.
What Chase is talking about is, like, see how the shades are going down at different heights? That's hem bar alignment, and Lutron does have the ability to do that. But it's when the shades are grouped. What Josh is doing right now when he's spinning that dial is it's pulling each individual shade, and even though the command is sent at one time, because it's individually grabbing each group, it's just assigning different values.
And you saw them just constantly bouncing around trying to figure out what was going on. That's because I inputted about 5-6 commands so that the shades kept moving. Okay, Josh, open up the shades. So. And again, that's already updated with Lutron that quick and Control 4 for this home specifically. So no matter what interface anyone's using, the home is talking to itself. It's really, you know, you want a smart home to actually be smart. And that's what this system feels like. The home just feels intuitive and smart to the end user.
All right, Dreamedia family, that is a wrap on the Nano.
Yes.
Nice little precise, fast voice control. Guys, we're checking out everything that Josh has to offer. Here in Colorado, Chase is leading the charge and really leveling up, elevating your experience. Guys, we want to take things to the next level here in Colorado and really increase your level of expectation, right? These are very expensive systems, and when you go in, regardless of the budget, when you outfit your entire home, we want to take everything from the design, the get management, installation, and service off your plate, or you just get to enjoy the home.
Yeah.
So reach out today, schedule a free video consultation, and get started. We'll walk through all of the various options. Again, one thing that makes us unique here at Dreamedia is not only do we get hands-on with every product that we sell, but we also sell all the brands. So you can really pick our brain. Like, we're not gonna say this is your only solution. Because like, I have URC in my own home. This house has a Control4 backbone. So like, we're specialists in working with all different technologies, but bringing them together in an easy to use manner that makes your life simpler. All right, guys. If you like this video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach and Chase with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.